All right, what's up, everybody? We got an update. Again for the Carnival Vista. Hey, well, what's going on, everybody? My name is Ike Stevens. Welcome to the Blue Collar Cruising Channel, guys. I'm going on the Vista June the 4th. June the 4th, we're going. And so we're eyeing this. We're eyeing this. And let me just be 100% clear on this. I'm not trying to scare people away. Okay? I'm not trying to scare people away from going on a cruise. Because if I was, I would be like one of the ones freaking out. I'm not freaking out. To me, our favorite part of the cruise is the ship itself. Yes, we get to stop at beautiful ports, but I've been there, done that, and we just love being away, and we love the ship. We love the cruise life. We just do. So if we have a port cancel, or maybe we don't spend as much time at a port, it's not going to be, it's not going to hurt our feelings that much. I mean, yeah, we'll be disappointed, especially if it's Honduras. That's our favorite. And Cozumel, obviously. And then those of you guys that are going to Grand Cayman and all that, that's a favorite. So I was watching John Hield. He does a live feed. Used to be like every day. Now it's like once a week. And we enjoy listening to John Hield. Me and my wife, we both do. John Hield, if you watch this, we enjoy it. We enjoy it. Sometimes we comment, sometimes we don't. When I watch John Hield, I'm usually watching live. When my wife usually watches it later in the morning. But anyway, he announced that he's going to be on the Carnival Vista on June 25th. Just to let everybody know, just to show everybody that it's that the Vista's good. Now, reports say otherwise, so they're canceling ports. As stated in the last video, that they canceled Grand Cayman off this itinerary. One thing that I did not know at that time, was that they had actually gotten to Jamaica late. They got there like at 2 o'clock. Usually it's like 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning when they get to Jamaica. We've been there a couple of times. And they got there like at 2. They stayed till like 7. That's not enough time to really do anything. We've been watching a lot of people on Facebook. And they're sitting there. They read that a technician was brought on board in Jamaica. Now, just because a technician was brought on board doesn't mean it's fixed just like that. Okay? It usually will take a while. And sometimes I need parts, and that may take them getting all the way to back to Galveston and get those parts. So just because there's a technician doesn't mean that you're just going to flip a switch. So understand that may take time. But they did say that they're not waiting on a dry dock to get this fixed. Okay? And because the rumor is, and I don't know, but the rumor is that they got a dry dock scheduled for August. And so, would they fix it then? I don't know. Hopefully, and I'm pretty sure they know what the issue is. We may not know. Carnival's being hush hush about it. We may not know. But I guarantee you they know what's going on. They probably know. And if it was so serious like last time that they had to bring in a portable dry dock, a floating dry dock, then they would do it. I'm pretty sure that they would do that. That was, somewhat successful, right? Temporarily at least, for a couple of years. Minus the year that they were out of service due to the COVID. But I mean, listen, we were on the Vista in February and it ran just fine. We had a good time. So, obviously, there's something going on, and hopefully it's easily be prepared. Now, there has been some trolls. They have been some trolls. And I don't know who these trolls are associated with. I don't know if it's someone who works in the cruise line, maybe another cruise line, or maybe they're just, anti-Carnival. Maybe it's just someone that just had a really bad experience in their head. I don't know, but they leave these big long posts. Not only is the Carnival Vista, it needs to be taken to the scrapped at the shipyard, but I mean, the food was horrible, the staff was horrible, everything was bad about it. And we were just on the Carnival Vista in February, and the only thing that was bad was the weather. But you get that. Everything else was perfect. It was just perfect. I loved it. Another news, but by the way, let me finish that up though. Like, there are definitely those trolls out there that are spreading a lot of misinformation. Okay, so we see you, but we're not acknowledging you. Other than that, I'm not sitting there looking into what you're saying. Another thing that Carnival's doing as a whole is that they are being short-staffed due to the visa issues going on in our magnificent country that we got going on these days. Anyway, so my favorite restaurant outside the main dining room is the Cucina del Capitano, and they are going to be closed on every ship besides the Mardi Gras until June 30th, end of June. And that's disappointing because I do enjoy that restaurant. However, it is said that some of those dishes will be available on the main dining room menu without an extra charge. So, hey, if I get my chicken parmesan plate, big old thing, I'll be happy. I will be, because I love it. I just love it. So I'm looking forward to the Vista. We'll be there on June 4th. Okay. Hopefully they'll get the issues fixed. I really am looking forward to Honduras again. Honduras is the one that I'm looking forward to the most because we get for the last 2 times, it'll be the 3rd time in a row that we're getting the cabanas, the private cabanas on the Carnival beach there. The private beach there, you see those private cabanas, and listen, that is the highlight of our trip for the last 2 cruises. And then obviously in Cozumel, we've got Naichi Cacombe, which I'm going to, we're going to try it. Haven't been there. Been to other ones, but haven't been there. Not a huge fan of Mr. Sancho's, just for the fact that it is a party atmosphere. And we don't go to the beach for the party atmosphere. We like to relax, and we've always heard that Naichi Cacombe is more laid back, and that's right up our alley. In the past, we done the Passion Island. And the thing about Passion Island is great. It's lovely. It's laid back, beautiful waters, beautiful sand, beautiful beach. Everything's beautiful about it. It just takes so long to get there. You only spend like 3 hours on the beach when, it just doesn't seem like it's long enough. Is what it is. So that's our update. Now I may be back on either later on today or tomorrow or what have you to to have any more updates, but as of today, that is where we stand. And I did see one person post that the ship speeds were back up to normal. So I don't know what to believe here. We'll see what this next cruise. I do believe they're going back to Honduras, Belize, and Mexico, and then the cruise after that is Jamaica, Grand Cayman, Cozumel, I do believe. So we'll follow these 2 weeks here and see what happens. And as far as traffic goes, I hear that the traffic there in Galveston going over that bridge, it was not an issue on Flip Day last week. So we'll see. Thanks for watching the Blue Collar Cruising. Subscribe to the channel because I have cruising content for you guys coming up. Okay, when we get on the ship, I'll be vlogging. We'll be playing the music. As a matter of fact, I tell you what, I was thinking about this today. I plan on putting together a Carnival cruise, a Carnival hype video. I'll do this like a week or 2 before every cruise, it seems like. I put together a hype video of just a lot of stuff, just a lot of clips, and I just put some music to it. Just kind of, get whoever's watching in the mood. Okay, including myself. So hopefully you'll watch that together. I already know what song I'm going to play and all that kind of stuff, and we'll get some clips of some of these old cruises we've been on. So anyways, guys, take care. Hope you watch that and watch our cruise videos, and then I'll be doing some updates on the Vista once I see them. Talk to you guys later in 73.